Have you ever wondered why taxis in Japan regularly rack up 500,000, 600,000, and even 700,000 miles on their original engines, while many Toyota and Lexus owners in other countries struggle to reach half that distance? The answer is not luck, it is not magic, and it is definitely not because Japanese cars are built differently for Japan. The truth is that Japanese master technicians follow a completely different maintenance philosophy that most dealerships never talk about. These simple habits can dramatically reduce engine wear, transmission stress, and long-term mechanical failures. Today, I'm going to reveal the Japanese secrets that help Toyota and Lexus vehicles survive well beyond 700,000 miles. Stick until the end, because secret number 5 is the one that alone can make your car last over 300,000 miles. Let's dive in. Secret number 1. The first 1,000 miles break-in that nobody tells you about. One of the most overlooked Japanese secrets to making a Toyota or Lexus last hundreds of thousands of miles begins during the first 1,000 miles of ownership. While most drivers treat a new car like it's ready for anything from day one, many Japanese enthusiasts see this period as the foundation for the engine's entire life. During these early miles, critical engine components such as piston rings, cylinder walls, bearings, and gears are still settling into their optimal wear patterns. That's why they avoid aggressive acceleration, high RPM driving, and long periods at a constant speed. Instead, they gradually vary engine load and speed to allow components to wear in evenly and naturally. Some owners even perform an early oil change during the break-in period to remove tiny metal particles created as new parts seat together. Their philosophy is simple. How you treat an engine in its first 1,000 miles can affect how it performs for the next 500,000. In Japan, engine longevity doesn't begin at 100,000 miles. It begins on the very first drive. Secret number 2. Japanese maintenance philosophy. Prevention over repair. The biggest Japanese maintenance secret isn't a special additive, expensive upgrade, or miracle repair. It's a simple philosophy. Prevention over repair. Japanese car owners understand that the best way to keep a vehicle running for hundreds of thousands of miles is to prevent problems before they ever start. Instead of waiting for warning lights, strange noises, or noticeable performance issues, they stay ahead of maintenance and address small concerns immediately. One of the best examples is engine oil service. Rather than stretching oil changes to the absolute maximum interval, many owners prefer changing their oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles to keep the engine clean, properly lubricated, and protected from long-term wear. They know that fresh oil is far cheaper than engine repairs. The same mindset applies to coolant, transmission fluid, filters, belts, and hoses. Everything is maintained before it becomes a problem. Small leaks are fixed early. Worn parts are replaced before they fail. And maintenance is treated as an investment rather than an expense. This proactive approach is one of the main reasons so many Toyota and Lexus vehicles achieve incredible mileage. In Japan, long vehicle life isn't the result of luck, it's the result of consistently preventing problems instead of repairing them. Secret number 3. Transmission fluid at 30,000 miles, then every 60,000. One of the biggest Japanese secrets to making a Toyota or Lexus last well beyond 500,000 miles is paying close attention to the transmission long before any problems appear. While many drivers wait until they notice rough shifting or transmission issues, Japanese enthusiasts take a completely different approach. They often perform the first transmission fluid service at around 30,000 miles, and then continue changing it every 60,000 miles afterward. Their philosophy is simple. Transmission fluid is far cheaper than a transmission rebuild. Over time, heat, friction, and microscopic metal particles gradually break down the fluid's ability to lubricate and protect internal components. Fresh fluid helps keep the transmission cool, reduces wear on clutches and gears, and maintains smooth, precise shifts. Many high-mileage Toyota and Lexus owners credit this single maintenance habit for helping their original transmissions last hundreds of thousands of miles. In Japan, they don't wait for the transmission to tell them something is wrong. They service it before problems ever have a chance to begin. Secret number 4. Coolant every 30,000 miles for the first change. Most drivers never think about their coolant until the engine starts overheating, but by then, the damage may already be done. One Japanese secret to making a Toyota or Lexus last hundreds of thousands of miles is replacing the coolant much earlier than most people expect, often around the 30,000 mile mark for the first service. While coolant may still look clean, its protective additives gradually wear out over time, reducing its ability to prevent corrosion and control engine temperatures. Japanese enthusiasts understand that coolant isn't just there to stop overheating. It's constantly protecting critical components like the radiator, water pump, heater core, and internal engine passages. Fresh coolant helps the entire cooling system operate efficiently and reduces the risk of costly failures down the road. Their philosophy is simple. Maintaining a healthy cooling system is one of the easiest ways to extend engine life. After all, an engine that stays cool and protected is far more likely to reach the legendary mileage Toyota and Lexus vehicles are known for. Secret number 5. Spark plugs at 60,000 miles, not 120,000. Most manufacturers claim modern spark plugs can last up to 120,000 miles, but Japanese owners replace them at 60,000 miles. Their reason is simple. Spark plugs may still work at 120,000 miles, but they rarely perform at their best. As spark plugs age, the electrodes gradually wear down, making it harder to create a strong, consistent spark. This can lead to weaker combustion, reduced fuel economy, slower throttle response, and unnecessary stress on ignition coils. By replacing spark plugs before performance starts to decline, Japanese owners help keep their engines running smooth, efficient, and responsive. It's a small maintenance expense that can prevent larger ignition-related problems later on. In their view, waiting until spark plugs are completely worn out is reactive maintenance. Replacing them early is preventive maintenance. And that's the philosophy behind many high-mileage Toyota and Lexus vehicles. Secret number 6. Brake fluid every 2 years, not matter the mileage. Brake fluid is one of the most neglected fluids in any vehicle, yet it's one of the most important for both safety and long-term reliability. But Japanese owners replace it every 2 years. The reason is simple. Brake fluid naturally absorbs moisture from the air over time, even if the car is driven very little. As that moisture builds up, the fluid becomes less effective and can begin causing corrosion inside brake lines, calipers, master cylinders, and expensive ABS components. The braking system may still feel normal, which is why so many drivers overlook this maintenance item. Japanese enthusiasts understand that waiting for symptoms means waiting too long. By replacing the brake fluid on a strict time schedule, they keep the braking system clean, responsive, and protected from internal damage. It's a small maintenance expense that can prevent costly repairs and help ensure the vehicle remains safe and reliable for many years to come. That's all for this video. The truth is, Toyota and Lexus vehicles are already engineered to last an incredibly long time. But engineering alone isn't enough. Follow these Japanese maintenance principles consistently, and you'll give your vehicle the best possible chance of becoming a true high-mileage legend. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.